waiting for our train. This one in front of us is just going. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So we have just gone onto our train. We've just gone onto our train and it's a bit quiet, and it has to be quiet. And we just come off the platform 5 onto our train. The other one's just left, so we're on their train. And that's why, that's the whistle, and up there is open. Well, it can really like come into. But those 2 windows over there are closed, and those 2 there are closed. And
Welcome aboard this Northern Train to
things
We're now approaching
Manchester.
If
And
you
the
leave your train
trains
here, please take a moment to ensure you have everything with you. Keep tickets handy until you leave the station.
and the train is set off. So we have just left Manchester Victoria, and we are approaching Salford Central Station, and we have just approached Salford Central. Grass. That's pretty cool, isn't it? All 2,500 hours to climb up there, because that